So before we start creating our learning management system, we first need to install a local host to our computer. What is a local host? It allows you to build a website server offline before buying your domain. So what do I mean by domain? Before buying your .com, your URL. So for example, if I say myschool.com, before I purchase that domain, I want to test it first offline in my computer. So that is what we call localhost. So to install localhost, you can go in, for example, localhost servers, and over here you have here local servers. Let's see, applications, and over here you will see a lot of localhost servers that you can install. So there you go. I personally would like to install SAMP, so I prefer SAMP. So I'm gonna install now SAMP, and since I'm using a Mac, so I'm just gonna download now SAMP for OS X, this one. So depending on your version. So I'm gonna wait for that to install, and I'll see you in the next video.